Hi everybody and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock any phone from the earliest models all the way to the latest generation. This will unlock your phone to use it with any SIM card in any country from any service provider. I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone step by step, and if you're wondering, yes, you can unlock your phone even if it's under an active contract with your current service provider. I'll show you the best and the easiest way to remotely unlock your device, meaning that everything is done over the air, no cables and no software required. By the way, please like and hit subscribe. So with that said, let's begin. So the first step is to get your phone's IMEI number. This is a unique number and you can get it by dialing *#06#. As you will see, the 15-digit IMEI number will show up in your screen. This is very important. You can also find this number behind your box or in the settings of your device. Now we're gonna switch cameras and we're gonna go to the computer. Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, the brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video. So just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important. Otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm going to show you how the email I got looks. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, just leave them on the comment section down below and we will try to answer them as quick as possible. Thanks so much. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and I'll see you on the next one.
But that's alright. Hush.